Are you ready to shop online with absolute peace of mind, knowing your transactions are as secure as possible? Today, we're diving deep into how to harness the power of your nationwide card reader for incredibly secure online shopping experiences. First, let's get your device set up. Make sure it's connected to your computer. This usually involves plugging it into a USB port. Once connected, you might need to download and install the necessary drivers, which you can typically find on the Nationwide website or in any instructions that came with your reader. Now, let's talk authentication. When you're ready to pay, select the Pay with Card Reader option during checkout. The website should then prompt you to use your reader depending on your card reader model. Insert your Nationwide debit or credit card. If asked to do so, some readers might also require you to confirm the transaction by entering your PIN on a small keypad on the device. Review all the transaction details displayed on the screen, such as the amount and the merchant. Double-check that everything is correct before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, confirm your transaction by following the on-screen prompts. You may need to press a button on the reader or confirm in the online interface itself. With your transaction verified, you can safely await delivery, knowing your financial information is secure. As a bonus, always check for the padlock icon in your browser's address bar when shopping online, along with making sure your software and operating systems are up to date. Finally, be cautious of suspicious emails or links that may try and phish your information. These are all critical steps contributing to safe and protected online shopping.